this video, I'm going to show you how to do shorthand or noble gas configuration if you're asked that on the Google form and having a hard time. So when you want to do that, I'm going to pick a random element. I know the Google form says for carbon, so you're going to have to take this lesson and then apply it to carbon. But I'm going to do it for sulfur. So I'm circling sulfur just so you can see it. Now, the first thing you have to do is remember where your noble gases are. So our noble gases are in group 8A or 18. When you are doing the shorthand notation, you start with a noble gas. So instead of starting up here where I'm placing the star and going 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, you're going to start at the noble gas before the element you're looking for. So since I'm looking for sulfur, I'm going to go to the noble gas that is right before it. And just for that purpose, I'm going to switch to blue. Neon comes right before it. Now, the most common mistake is to actually go to argon, which I'm putting a little blue star on. Argon comes after, because if you look, it's number 18, and sulfur is number 16. So argon is not the right one. Don't use that, okay? Neon is the one that comes before it. So what you do is you put neon in brackets like this. And on that Google form, you're going to put a dash. That's just a help format. And then instead of starting at the black star up here, you're just going to start at the row that sulfur is in. So notice that sulfur is in row 3. It means I'm just going to write row 3. So I'm going to start here, row 3. I'm in the S block. There are 2 of them, so S2. Now I jump this blank area. I'm still in row 3, but now I'm in the P block. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put 3P4. Now that's how you do noble gas configuration. I'm going to do one more practice, and I'm going to do, let's just do V. So for V, I'm going to go to the noble gas before it. The noble gas before it does happen to be argon. I'm going to put argon in brackets, put a dash. I'm going to go to the row that V is in, and I'm going to start there. So 4s2. Remember, the D goes one number behind, so even though it looks like it should be 4D, it's actually 3D. 1, 2, 3.